Let's now look at the tracking server in detail. Mlflow tracking server provides us with the ability to store two kinds of assets. The first ones are called artifacts, such as the trained model files and the training data. The second ones are parameters, such as model hyperparameters and metrics such as model performance metrics. This is how Mlflow tracking server displays the results of tracked experiments. You can see that we can see for each run what was the model performance, when was the model done, etc. etc. There are some configuration options Mlflow provides us. We can configure either local storage to store artifacts or cloud storage such as S3. Similarly, we can log the parameters and metrics to file system or relational databases such as Postgres. For our discussion, we will provision an S3 storage for artifacts and a Postgres server for logging metrics and parameters. To configure the Mlflow tracking server in this manner, we will need to prepare some infrastructure. Let's look at what we might want to provision.